Alright, so I decided to park here and check out this, I believe, an interpretive trail. Welcome to Gold Run Park. And there seems to be a lot of walking, and my calf is still hurting a lot. At Gold Run Park, they put this rock on the road. They built the road to encourage people to drive up it and park. But now they don't want that to happen anymore. They might have bathrooms here. Yeah, it looks like they have bathrooms locked. Oh, look at that. Jerks. Alright, I think, because of the way my calf is, I think I want to go back to the car, get the drone, and then be prepared in case I want to fly it up there, because I don't think I'll be able to look over those buildings. They're probably going to stop people from walking that far. I hear a lot of beeping, like there's a mining activity. Alright, so this is how it began. Quite a story. I didn't read this far, actually. Check this out. I have never seen a picture like this before, or even at rock shows. The gold is attached right to the whatever that's called, that crystal. That is amazing. That's what people say, how gold is best found. Quartz. It's called quartz. My memory. Quartz and gold apparently go hand in hand. I don't have any explanation for this. So there was some old building here for mining. The early days from 1870 to 1900. Alright, and then a picture. Wow, they had a big track. They were entered the New York Stock Exchange. I wonder when they got pulled. Cool. 1901 to 2002. Every sign has been very interesting to me. 130, almost 140 degrees below here. You have to go 8,000 feet. And then this William Randolph Hearst, that's actually a familiar name to me with the book publishing. This little educational walk has been very enlightening so far. There's a little bit more to look at as you get higher up. 30-ton cooler. So as the sign says, this was the most self-sufficient mine in the country, I think. Because all the other mines that I've seen have definitely lacked trees, and there's plenty of them growing around here right now. Trees and water. Plenty of trees to make all those things. Cyanide Charlie. Check that out. You got quartz with a bunch of gold flecks on it. Why did the gold attach to quartz? There's a lot of interesting stuff on this sign. So they say this is the parking lot for the refinery way up here, and it was heavily guarded with fence and guards. It makes me question. I was questioning, were there any robberies? Are there any bank robberies in this town? I haven't heard of any. Check this mucker out. It would dig up in the tunnels and toss onto there. This dude would stand on this platform, and then he would move this thing and also this thing. So both his hands were preoccupied with adjusting stuff. Right, that's the mucker. This is the slusher. And I think the guy stood on this side, made by Ingersoll Rand. I think those are the pedals he stands on and pulls levers and stuff. I'd have to see how that worked. This thing was, I forget what the name of it is, but the water sprayer. And here's a neat piece of art. Some guy just drilled into the rock, and now it's a piece of art. This would get get art critics' attention. Wow, I've never seen this description before with the carbide. Start out with candles, and then they went to carbide. I've probably seen demonstrations of carbide, but didn't understand how that worked. Rock temperatures increase in depth, and also the pressure increases the deeper you go. Right, further down, looking at more displays. I think I've come to the very end because there's roadways up above, but I don't see any good access. They got a fence to really discourage access. The rod mill. So it'd be here. I'd want to launch the drone right here. Alright, that flight was a little scary. It doesn't even give like a warning that it's about to lose signal. It just drops signal. And I think it's because I got over the mountain and that was a big problem. So now I know that this road was not built with tourism in mind. This road was originally for the miners mining and smelting the minerals over here somewhere. They had a parking lot up there, and then that's done. Wow, a lot of deep cuts into this road. So I pull my calf. Man, these people overlook the pit. I can walk right up to it. I pull my calf muscle in the perfect time when I want to go out and explore hills. This is why I stayed parked down where I was. There's just too much going on up in this parking lot. Look at that, take a left for the secret underground laboratory.